Hi, so today I'm going to show you what I take camping in my new setup with the Gossamer Gear Mariposa. So I just got this pack in the winter. I haven't had the chance to use it a lot. However, I have used it a little bit just on some training hikes because of the lockdown. We can't go out camping. So I just wanted to show you some of the features and exactly what I pack for all my trips, being ultralight. So I'll start with the pack itself. It has very cushioned straps, fairly breathable, but I have not tried it in the summer, so I don't know how warm they'll be or if they are really breathable. And it also comes with a sit pad here in the back to help you be a little more ultralight and not needing to bring a chair. So the sit pad just comes out of this mesh like this, and then you just pull it out, have your break, and then place it back into the mesh. Just like that when you're ready to keep hiking. So the pack, the one thing that really drew me to this pack in particular is it's lightweight, ultralight. It is not waterproof, so I had to, kind of decide pros and cons. But you get to customize this pack to your body type. So the pack comes in different sizes, and the hip belt always comes separately. So I got a small pack and a small hip belt, but you could get a medium pack, small hip belt. You could get a large pack, a medium hip belt, whatever you need. It's really customizable that way, and I really liked that. I also got this attachment cell phone holder. However, my cell phone does not fit in there, but it does work good for my Garmin inReach. So keep that in mind. If you don't have a Spot or Garmin, you may want to skip out on that pocket depending on the size of your phone, but take a look at that before you purchase that. On this side of the pack, you can see that there's lots of pockets. So on this side, we have one really long pocket. I usually put my tent poles in it for the Nemo Hornet 2-person. I have trekking poles in it for if I was backpacking. And I have a little saw in it to process wood when I get to a campsite. Hi. Okay, so go lay down. Getting to this side of the pack, there's two different pockets here. So this pocket fits my Nalgene really well. I use a Nalgene when I am canoeing because there's tons of water available, so I don't really need to carry water around. I can just filter it from the lake and drink it. But this pocket would fit 2 smart water bottles if you're backpacking, or 2 Powerade bottles, whatever you prefer. Up here, I have my water filter. I'm using the Katahdin B3 1-liter water bladder, I guess it's called. It's called a Hydro Pack. So 1,000 mils, and then I just filter it into whatever bottle I'm using. I have some sunscreen, and I have the pegs for my Nemo Hornet. So I keep all of my tent pieces kind of separate, and you'll see why in a moment. So then the front of this pack has this huge mesh pocket that goes all the way to the bottom. It's pretty much the full length of the pack, and what I would use that for is anything wet, so any wet clothes, rain jacket, rain pants, tent fly, all that could be stored up here just to keep it out of your pack so that it doesn't get things wet. And then at the top here we have a zipper pocket. Not really sure what you would put in this. If anyone does put anything in this, let me know, but this is like I have it cinched down too tight, I guess, to be able to put anything in there. Have to put something in there before cinching it down. But yeah, it has these 2 buckles here so you can cinch it down and tighten it up. And it has a buckle up here just to help it stay waterproof. So inside my pack, I have this little dry bag from Mech. I put my phone in it if it's going to be raining a lot, or if I'm canoeing. I have rain pants. Very important. If the weather turns, you never know. You could also just store them out here and put them on when you need them. You think it's gonna rain, that'd be an easier place to kind of grab them from. For fuel, I use the Jetboil fuel, and then for a stove, I use the MSR Pocket Rocket. If you're not familiar with the stove, it's just a tiny little stove that screws onto the top of a fuel canister. It works great, boils my water very quickly, does everything I could ever want it to do. Next we have a medical kit. This is the Ultralight Watertight Medical Kit 0.5. It says it's only good for 1 to 2 days. Pick whichever one best suits you. I think that this would be fine for me for even longer trips, but I keep Tylenol, Advil, Benadryl, and gravel in there as well that I've added in. Okay, and then we have our tent. This is the Nemo Hornet 2-person tent. Obviously, I haven't used it yet, but I did set it up, and I did leave it outside in the rain all night with my sleeping pad and sleeping bag in there, and it was completely dry. I have that video if you want to check it out and see what this Nemo Hornet 2-person is all about, but it packs up super small. This is it compared to my Nalgene. And it is a 2-person. You would have to be very comfortable with the person that you're staying in a tent with, because it is small, like it is 2 people, but you could put some gear in the vestibules. So it is okay for 2 people, but it probably would be best for 1. Next, I have the original bug shirt. I know it's big and bulky, but it really does like squish down small, and it's a luxury item for me. I do not like getting eaten by bugs at all. So next we have a piece of gear that could be smaller. This is my Mech pillow. I think I'm gonna swap it out for the Nemo version just because it packs down super small. This is as small as it packs down, so you know, it does take up quite a bit of room, and it is a bit heavy. Next, I have the Mech Reactor 3.8. This is a big and heavy sleeping pad. It's not the worst out there, that's for sure, which is why I got it in the first place. This is it compared to my tent, so it's like double the size of my tent. And it says it's 690 grams, so it's not too bad, but there's definitely lighter and more comfortable pads on the market, but I'm happy with this one. I'll also probably get the Nemo version of this, or the Thermarest. The next piece of gear that we have is a favorite of mine, and it is the Mech Delphinus -9 sleeping bag. I use it all year round. Doesn't matter if it's spring, summer, fall, I use this sleeping bag. I absolutely love it. It's a down sleeping bag. It compresses really nicely, and then it has a great loft to it as well. I won't be trading this out anytime soon. I absolutely love this bag. And then we have the Gossamer Gear pack liner. You can purchase these from Gossamer Gear. So far it's been holding up well. We'll see how it continues to hold up. But it's just like, you know, a piece of plastic that's fairly thick to protect all your gear instead of putting it into a stuff sack. So hopefully this continues working out for me. And then this is the Gossamer Gear pack. Empty. It is super lightweight pack. I absolutely love it. I've been walking around with it, doing some practice hikes and some training hikes, and it has been super comfortable. So I'm very happy that I got it. It was expensive, but really worth it to me because I do want to do some long distance hiking in the near future. Obviously, probably not this year due to the lockdown, but I would like to do some long distance hiking in the next few years for sure, with an overall goal being to go out on the PCT at some point and hike the PCT. Probably a few years from now when I'm done my nursing degree, but it would be an awesome experience to have. Um, and I'm more a canoeist, but the backpacking world is really interesting as well. So I do a bit of both, but I'd love to get out on the PCT at some point.